This Debye blue carbon steel fry pan is like a blank canvas for your culinary creations. Crafted with 2 mm thick blue carbon steel, it heats up quickly and evenly, making your cooking performances shine. The 8-inch diameter and 5.5-inch cooking surface offer good capacity for single servings and smaller dishes. This pan becomes your trusty sidekick in the kitchen because it's oven safe and free from harmful chemicals like PFAS, PFOA, and PFOS. The beauty of this Debye blue carbon steel lies in its simplicity and functionality. It is made in France, and this ensures quality and tradition in your hands. As you use it, the surface will naturally develop a patina, much like the rings on a wise old tree, enhancing its non-stick properties and flavor over time. It might not have a fancy non-stick system from the start, but with a little seasoning, it transforms into a reliable tool, and you will find it easy to understand its needs. Think of it as a loyal companion that gets better with each shared meal. So, if you are looking for a straightforward and dependable pan, the Debye blue carbon steel is a solid choice. It offers good performances without any exaggeration. It's like that reliable friend who is always there when you need them. And though it doesn't come with a cover or a special holder, its core function is to cook well. Over time, this pan, from the heart of France, will become an essential part of your kitchen. And it's easy to understand nature makes cooking a joy, not a chore. Pros: PFAS free, PFOA free, PFOS free, made in France. 8-inch diameter 5.5-inch cooking, blue carbon steel, good heat, durable, versatile. Cons: handle can get hot, not non-stick initially, may have iron smell, coating confusion, hand wash only, blue color fades, uneven heating possible, requires careful maintenance. Features: brand, Debye, material, carbon steel, thickness, 2 mm, model, access, diameter, 8 inches, cooking surface, 5.5 inches, oven safe, PFAS free, PFOA free, PFOS free. This is an 8-inch frying pan made by a French company called Debye. It is part of their access line and is made from 2 mm thick blue carbon steel. The pan has a cooking surface of 5.5 inches and is safe to use in the oven. It does not contain harmful chemicals like PFAS, PFOA, and PFOS. This pan is designed for cooking on different stovetops and is made in France. This Debye blue carbon steel fry pan, made in France, is an 8-inch pan with a 5.5-inch cooking surface and a 2 mm thickness. It's oven safe and free of PFAS, PFOA, and PFOS. Carbon steel heats well and is durable, making the pan versatile. Though the handle can get hot, it's not non-stick when new and might have a slight iron smell initially. There could be some confusion about a coating, but it requires hand washing and the blue color may fade over time. Uneven heating is possible, and it needs careful maintenance to prevent rust and build its natural non-stick properties through seasoning.